What's up, y'all? It's Every Penny Counts. I want to bring you a new site for new money making Mondays. It's called Rewards1. You can do a lot of different things like most sites, surveys, offers. You can redeem at a fairly low price. I'm gonna show y'all how that works real quick. First here I'm on the home page. This is all of what you can do. You see at the first little bar right here, your surveys router, 75 cents for each one that you do. You know what I'm saying? So you just basically, do a couple of these, one or two of these a day. You should really, you make your balance go up a little faster. I know Theorem Reach, this is also a good survey provider because they do offer you disqualification points. So any survey that you attempt in this section right here, you will get paid something even if you disqualify. You know what I'm saying? That's always good because a lot of people struggle with, getting qualified for surveys because they're not really, answering the questions correctly or, going according to what the survey is looking for. So if you ever find yourself struggling with surveys, go over here to Theorem Reach, do a couple of those, just get your, rhythm back and your momentum going. So that way, you can actually go back to these bigger survey routers so you can make more money in doing that. Like I said, your surveys, that's a really popular and really good one. Like I said, 75 cents each. You can do Say So Rewards. Cent also is 75 cents. Let me scroll down real quick. And right here, they have more. 50 cents for these. These don't really take that long from what I've heard. I think the probably about 10-15 minutes, not that long. So definitely take a look at all these survey providers. If I go over here, let me go back up to the top real quick, and I'm gonna show you just the offers that they have, the offer walls. I go over here to earn, and I go to offer partners. You can see the different offer walls that they have, ones that are pretty much known everywhere. Revenue wall ads, peanut labs, one of my favorites. Their surveys are really quick and really easy. Offer Turo, Revenue Universe, Radio One. The thing is, I tell you guys to look at all of these all these offer walls because every one of them have easy ones to do. You know what I'm saying? You don't always have to go for the big offers. I mean, that's where your money is at. But if you do a lot of these small offers, you'll be surprised how quick your balance will go. You know what I'm saying? So that's one thing you want to pay attention to. Like Revenue Wall, I know they have some video sections in there. I also know they have a few, just send your email out. And you don't have to send your email, your real one. You can make it like a kind of fake one just for like survey sites. That way you can still get credited without, getting your real email spammed or whatever. Offer Turo, really big popular offer wall because a lot of things in there are just really just watching videos and, signing up for a free offer. Radio One is the same thing. So definitely take a look at all of these offers. Kind of scrolling down to show you more minute staff. You can get paid just to click on ads in there. Very simple. Personally, there's a lot of trial offers in there, but there are a good amount of free ones in there as well. So definitely take a look at that one as well. So going back up, and I'm gonna show you how quick you can redeem on this site and the different things you can get. They have PayPal, they have Amazon, things like that. They have a lot of other different gift cards as well. So you see here, once you click on redeem, it'll show you all the gift cards that they have. Let me scroll down so you can see more of them. All the ones that they have here. A good amount of them. Things that you'll definitely use. You can definitely find something on here that you like. So take a look at all of these and see what you're interested in and work towards that goal. You can start out at like $5 and, work your way up. For those of you who are interested in cash, like PayPal, like I am, they also have that 5, 10, 25, and 50. 500 points, $5. Very simple to do. You see here at the top, my balance, I have 21 cents. I mean, I just signed up for this site. I just did a lot of research on it to make sure it was legit before I brought it to you guys. So I just kind of playing around with it, but I'm about to, go crazy with it. So whenever I'm finding out about these new sites, that's what I bring to you on every Monday. You know what I'm saying? Showing you another way to make money. So all of these, different survey sites and apps that I'm bringing to you on my channel are just showing you ways that you can make money for free. Whether you have a job or not, it's just extra money in your pocket, and nobody turns down extra money because, a lot of people complain about not having money. That's why I'm bringing you all of these sites so you can make more money in addition to what you already have. So, very simple site to use, and you just want to check out the survey providers, the survey partners, and then the offer partners that they have. I mean, just another site that's basically like the other ones that I brought to you, but it's another way to make money. So like I tell you, whatever routine you have on one site, take that routine to this site. I always try to show you guys my routine, just basically doing your surveys and a couple of offers here and there on each site. You know what I'm saying? This is one of them I do. I just continue to maximize my earnings on each one of these sites, so that way I can able to make at the very minimum $50 a day using all of these sites, and anywhere between 50 to 100, really depending on the offers that I'm doing and the surveys and how much time I have. That's what it's all dependent upon. But this is definitely a site that you want to put in your routine, so you can make money with it. Doesn't take a long time to cash out if you're doing the things that I showed you. Just a survey here, an offer tool here or there. You know what I'm saying? You'll get that $5 within a couple of days. So definitely take a look at this site. The link will be in the description for you to sign up and get started with it today. You know what I'm saying? Free money, that's what it's all about. Never turning down any ways to make money. I'm bringing you guys new ways all the time. As always, if you're new to my channel, definitely subscribe, hit the bell button so you can be notified when I make new videos, which is pretty much every day, showing you guys another way how to make free money, showing you different cash outs, all kind of proof of just showing you that you can make a full-time income online if you really put in the work, if you really grind. Don't give up. Just stay resilient, keep pushing. Whenever you think it's hard, just keep on going, because it's going to get easier with the more sites that you have and the more knowledgeable you get with using these sites. All right, so like I said, the link is in the description. Sign up today, and always remember, every penny counts.